What if I told you your entire day is decided before you even leave your bed? Gene, to most people think they have a motivation problem. They don't. They have a morning problem. Langus. If you're making these 5 mistakes every morning, you're destroying your focus, your energy, and your discipline before the day even begins. Eat hitting snooze, that just 5 more minutes feels harmless, man. But every time you hit snooze, your brain goes back into sleep mode. By the time you actually wake up, you feel more tired than before. This is called sleep inertia, and it can last for hours. Skip the snooze. Get up on the first alarm. TMBNDR. Not drinking water first, Canate after. Chi fu bad hours of sleep. Your body is already dehydrated. Bund. But most people reach for their phone, not water. Your brain runs on hydration. Without it, you feel foggy, slow, and low on energy before the day even starts. Drink 1 glass of water the moment you wake up. Sen, waking up in a dark room. Your brain doesn't know it's morning until it sees light. If you wake up in darkness and stay there, your body still thinks it's time to sleep. Open your curtains. Turn on a light. This one simple habit signals your brain it's time to be alert. CE. Attacking your hardest task first. One of the everyone says, do the hard thing first. Manda. But if your brain is still waking up, jumping straight into your hardest task usually leads to frustration, not progress. Start with one small, easy win instead. That small win builds momentum, and momentum is what carries you through the hard task. Comparing your morning to everyone else's. Okay, you scroll social media and see someone's perfect 2 a.m. routine, gym, cold shower, journaling, all before sunrise, and you compare it to your own morning and instantly feel behind. But their routine isn't your routine. But the only morning you need to win is your own outro, fix these 5 mistakes, and you'll notice something amazing. You'll feel more alert, more energetic, and more in control of your day. Control your P-day. Lane your mornings, create your future. So start tomorrow the right way. And subscribe for more videos that help you become the best version of yourself.